So can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday we studied this one, organization structure, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
detail we studied
Yeah.
this client operating concern, company controlling area, credit control area, company code, and list profit center and profit center group and profit center standard hierarchy, and even business area, how it is linked with client also. So today, now we are going to configure all these, this company code. These all are the part of enterprise structure, company code, credit control area. So I'm going to configure this in the system, in the SAP system.
Okay.
Okay. So can you please
Okay.
tell me, like, in which system in real time? Like right now, I'm going to do it in the 800 client because it is
Yeah.
ours is IDS system, right? So can you guys
Mm.
please tell me in real time in which system who will do this configuration and in which system? Because in real time we have three systems, right? Development, quality, and production. Can you guys please tell
In,
IT.
me IT team? Okay,
in
yes,
client
IT team will,
100.
IT team.
and client 100. Yes, in development system. Correct. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, very good. Yes. So now please let me do means why I have come to this configuration. You know the reason and background, right?
Yes.
Like I have come to this config. IT team will start doing the config. Suppose if I will take example of this Dilip's group of company, what he did, he purchased the license as per the
Yeah.
suggestion because he wants SAP to be, implemented in his system. He wants to do his business transaction in SAP now.
Yes,
Because
sir.
he want to migrate. He wants to migrate from Italy ERP to SAP. So that's why IT team, IT company has, told him to buy SAP license, and now IT team is doing configuration, making his system ready. So in the implementation there are 5 phases. So now IT team is doing configuration, and configuration is done in which phase, if you guys can remember?
Third phase.
Third. And what is the name?
Vision. Correct.
Realization. Yes,
Sorry.
realization, right?
Really.
Realization. So this realization part, we are doing just for the practice, but I'm giving you this example. So now configuration is being done. So first configuration is enterprise structure. Okay. In the
Okay.
enterprise structure, these all details will come: company, credit control area, company code. Okay. So now please, please write down configuration starts. Please give heading configuration starts.
This enterprise structure uh, points will don't not down.
No, no, yes, but first write down configuration starts. Right,
Okay.
right now, no, don't write anything. Just write configuration starts.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
So see, I will tell you one more thing. See, this is SAP menu screen. Have you? Are you guys? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
See, whenever you will come in this screen, first once you log into the SAP system, so this screen will come. SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. And
Okay.
if you want to do the this is a user's screen. SAP business users screen. Day-to-day business transaction is done from this screen. Suppose if I will take example of accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. See, GL account document is posted from here. General entry posting is done from here. General document parking is done from here. Okay. So these all things, is done from here only. And master data is also created. GL account. See, GL account is created. FS00 is the creation of GL account. So these all things will be taken care. Like this is the business user screen. business activity is done from this screen. If I will take example of this one, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. See, for AP part, accounts payable part, vendor invoice is posted using this FB60. Credit memo means any return is there to that for that particular invoice, then credit memo is posted. So like that, this is the user's screen, and this is not the configuration screen. This is the data. This screen is used from user side, business user side, to do the day-to-day
Individual.
day-to-day business transaction. Yes, yes, and yes. Now to do the configuration, we need to go slash an SPRO screen, not an T code is to go to the configuration screen, SPRO, and then click on SAP reference IMG. Please write down to go to this screen, to go to configuration screen. Please give and see, this is you can see this field, this box. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
command box. This is command.
Okay.
So to go to configuration screen, we need to give SPRO in the command field.
Okay.
So please write down, give SPRO in the command field and hit enter. Okay.
Yeah.
And then click on SAP reference IMG. Then click on SAP reference IMG. Okay.
Yeah.
Then once you click on SAP reference IMG, this screen is for only for the this screen is configuration related completely. This screen is only used from the this IT consultant side. Okay, before
Okay.
configuration, even after go live, this screen users has nothing to do with this screen. Only IT consultant will use this screen to make the configuration and make the system ready. Okay, so
Hmm.
yeah, so here you guys have understood, right? You guys have written, correct?
Sorry?
You guys have written, right? Path to come here.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, please give heading. Please give heading general settings. Next
Mhm.
heading, general settings.
Okay.
See, this one. In general setting, you guys have given a heading. So first, uh, give first like define countries in SAP system. Define countries in my SAP system. Define countries in my SAP system.
Okay.
Below that, it is below that. I'm showing you the path. Okay, SPRO. SPRO means this screen. SPRO SAP Net Viewer. You can see the screen also. SPRO SAP Net Viewer. SAP Net Viewer. General settings. Set current. Set countries.
SPRO net SAP.
You can see the screen also. I'm following the same path. Define countries in the see. SPRO means this display IMG screen. Then SAP Net Viewer. You can see the screen. And then after SAP Net Viewer, general settings. After general settings, set countries and define countries in my SAP system. You can see the screen and follow the path. What I am doing actually, basically, see, before enterprise structure, I am explaining you guys this general settings. I am explaining general settings. I am explaining under general settings. We have four things. First thing is country. We will check in which countries we need to check or define. Second, we need to check or define region. Third, we will check and define currency. First, you guys understand like what I am doing. Currency. And fourth, maintain calendar. Okay. So, as per our example, which all country we are going to deal in our daily business?
INR, SGD, USD.
Okay. No. Yes.
India,
Currency. You tell
Singapore.
India, Singapore. Yes. India, Singapore, and US. Correct.
Mm.
So this country should be there. SAP has already given these things by default only, as per my advantages which I have explained. Just but to confirm, we need to check in the system whether these countries are there available or not. If not, then we need to define. And if it is there, then no need to define. Correct?
Yeah.
So this one actually I'm explaining you these things only. These four things before enterprise structure there is general setting. Okay, and in general setting, these four things we need to make sure it is available. India is available or not. Singapore, in our case, India, Singapore, and USA is required. So those countries should be there in the SAP system, which is by default is a standard SAP has given by default. But we need to just make sure if it is there, oh fine. Not there, then we need to define. So just that's what I'm telling you. And this is the first configuration. We are starting general setting. Under the general setting, country should be there. In the in the country there should be states. States in SAP states are called as region, like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Delhi, Haryana. This so this region is called as state. Okay.
States.
And currency and calendar, calendar means same like Indian calendars, whatever holidays are there. So these all will be coming under the these all come under the general settings. So first one, that's what I'm explaining you guys. So have you guys written the path, this SAP NetWeaver general settings, set countries, and then define country in my SAP system?
Yes,
Written?
yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
then click on execute. This round button, you can see this round button, like this is execute button. So
Yeah.
click on execute. Okay, and you please write down, see, you please write down this t code of this defined countries is OY01. Beside beside that this path, you please write down the t code also, OY01.
So in that sense, like
Directly we can
Directly
enter
we
the
can
tick.
come. Yes, and see, to get this t code now, you please see the screen. Additional information, display key, and IMG activity. No need to write down, just to can understand. To know, to get the, see, right now T code is not visible. If I will do this activity, additional information from header, additional information, display key, and IMG activity, then T code will come for all transactions.
okay.
See, T code has come. See,
Mm-hmm.
OY01N is not the T code, but OY01. OY01 is the T code.
Oh,
OY07 is,
one,
yes, OY01. We should,
0 to 1. Okay.
yes, we need to remove the N. So I can show you this defined country, and this one, see, region OVK2 is the region, last four digit. OVK2 is the
Mm-hmm.
region T code. Okay, like that. So if I want to come, see, I am coming here with the path OY01. This is with the path I have come. Now, if I will take you this directly,
National.
Slash and
Direct.
Slash and yes. If we are not on the SAP menu screen, then slash n is required. If we are at SAP menu screen, first screen, then slash n is not required.
Yeah, we could
So
have
you guys are
added.
aware of so many things, right?
Yeah, actually we do testing. I mean, quality system we used to do it and in the real time, no? End
Yes,
users.
yes, correct. So you guys have
We could.
performed UAT testing, huh?
Yes, yes.
It will be helpful for me to you guys user understand some processes, right? Already you are aware about.
I used to actually work. I had a good rapport with the IT team with my client.
Okay, good,
ఇక్కడ ఇది
good.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్కడైనా M23 నుంచి మనం మైగోకి వెళ్ళాలంటే స్లాష్ అని కొట్టాలి.
Selection, yes. So see, OY01 I have already opened. That is why it is logged. Already I
okay.
have opened here, and but this time I am going with the T code I am going, but this is already logged. But I can go and at least display it. Directly means I am coming with the T code. See, directly with the T code I have come OY01. Slash n means directly it will. Slash n means it will close the current screen,
Screen.
and it will take us to the that given commanded to this transaction, any transaction. Okay, which transaction T code we are putting here in the command field. Okay, so now this one is done. So now country we need to check 3 countries, right? Because we are going to do business in India. So click on position. Now please write down. Click on position button. Click on position button. Select country. Give IN. See, there are list of multiple countries. So we will, if you will go by one, then it will take time. So SAP has given this option. Click on position and then give your India, or you can give with I. Give I and enter. Then you will go with I all countries. See, with I Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, and this India, our country has also come. Okay. So India is already there. Correct.
Yeah.
Now select country India. Select, because we have to we have to explore our country also. Select country India like this from the left side. See, it is selected. Select from country India. Select country India and click on this details button. Select country India and click on details. You can see the details button option.
Yeah.
Okay, click on details button. Please write down also. So now the details of the country India is opened. You can see. Okay, so after coming to this here, we need to make sure this tax procedure should be our Indian tax procedure.
Yeah.
Tax tax IN. This one. This should be the tax procedure already maintained. Okay, so we need to make sure in country
Is it
India.
a common
Yeah, it is common. Like it is standard tax. It is standard tax procedure only.
tax in?
Yeah, tax. Yes, tax in. Yes.
One second.
Select tax in. Tax I double N. And see, this you can get from F4. You can click on this F4. The list will open, and you can what you can do. You need to come down tax IN. You need to search. Means from the list you can get it from the list,
Okay.
because there is F4 option. You can click on the F4, and from the list you can get the tax IN.
And no need to check the other details, like will it be standard?
Yeah, other details will be there only. Like means We need to just check this tax code, and other details by default will be there. Even tax code, tax procedure will be there. It will be there only, but we are just confirming this. But other details will
Sure.
be by default.
Okay.
Okay, you guys should check this one. This date format also you can see. Date format is like no, first two
DDM.
are DD, MM, and this one, and decimal format is like this, one comma like this. It will be the decimal format which we are going to use for this country, for Indian country. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
so it will be by default there only. So see, if any change, if I will tell you, like if I am doing any configuration, suppose I am giving this one correct, just for the example I am giving, I will change it right now. So this is the part of configuration. Suppose I am changing the text procedure. Suppose we have defined according to our own requirement, and I'm just saving this text procedure. Let me come out then only. This one now. So see, whenever, see, if I am saving this configuration, okay. So whenever configuration is saved, whenever configuration is done, then it is it is asking for a transport request. This is the completely part of IT consultants. Whenever I explained you, right, this any configuration is saved in transport request, right?
Yes.
So see, if we are doing this configuration in this country, so how to create the request? So see, once you will click on save, once I am clicking on save, let me do it again. I made the change. I am giving the correct procedure, or whatever the changes I have done. Once I am click on save, then it is asking for, this is request, means transport request, TR, which I explained. Like from the development system, TR will be moving to quality system, and from the development system, TR will be moving to production system. So this is the same that TR which I explained you earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. So here what you guys need to do, here you guys need to click on create request. Can you guys see create request?
Yeah.
So please write down, once we save the configuration, once we save the configuration, prompt for customizing request is opened. Okay. Now click on create request, because this is not our request, right? We did not create this request, correct? This is not ours request. We will create our own request. So click on create request. Okay, here we need to give the description. Suppose I will give description, any description according to our requirement we can give. Like I will give FICO, FICO, Dilip, okay. And now after that, after giving this short description, simply click on save. Simply click
Okay.
on save. Now see, our TR has come here. You can see this is the TR number starting from Y01K9078, and this description has also come. That Gulshan TR has gone. So
Okay.
now our TR has come. See, now click on continue. What I did, whenever I'm doing this new configuration, I clicked on create. After clicking on the create, what is happening? This
Description will
yeah, we
change.
gave description, and this request is changed automatically. Then click on continue.
So generally,
Data is saved.
so, generally, what kind of a description can be given? Like,
Generally, see, like consultant to for their understanding, they can give like any. Like generally, we give FICO underscore
mhm.
or this GL related configuration or this FICO related configuration. Like that, we can give as per our understanding.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So I have given Dilip because to understand like for our Dilip business, but in real time, like asset related configuration, a finance related configuration, SDY guys will give for as per their convenience. Consultant as per their convenience they give, because this is all these all are specific for or related for the these all are for the consultants only. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
they are saving this configurational data in the transport request. So first one, country we are dealing in 3 countries, right? So now India we have already by default India is there, so no issue.
So another doubt. So
Okay.
if in case, what if instead of tax in,
Hmm.
if we select the another procedure and by oversight we saved in the transform request, what do we need to
Hmm.
for correction?
No, but see, tax we can define our own tax procedure and we can give. And if we are
Okay,
doing, suppose if okay, you are asking if by default if we have given
mhm,
any wrong
right,
select wrong details, if I said I have saved, right, then you can
correct.
what you can do, you can again you can remove and put the correct details. Suppose if we are giving this is suppose this is the correct details, tax INJ. So let
Mm-hmm.
me do. So you select this option and simply save it.
Okay.
Simply save it. Then new details will be saved. See, new details is saved. Now you can verify also. Come back. Now again come again recheck. This new one is new and this correct one is changed, right? If suppose
Mm-hmm.
if I'm changing
Okay.
and previous one is removed. But now let me give this one because this one is correct one. India tax new.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now data is
TR will
saved.
be same
TR is saved.
of
Yes,
credit.
TR is saved. Yes. In TR level only it is getting saved. But why it is not showing again and again? Because when every time we need to come back completely, then only it will ask again and again. Otherwise, it will not ask. It will just show it is saved. Means it is saved in the TR level only.
Okay.
Okay. So India we have checked. Now we are going to deal for Dilip's business in Singapore as see Saudi Arabia Singapore SG. Okay. I clicked on the position button in the field. I got the option to to search. I gave there S, and then I got this S related countries list of S related. I can see the Singapore. Select the Singapore SG country Singapore. I click on the details button. You can see the various details. Just make sure this tax SG is there, and rest of the things you can see already. English, ISO code SG. So these details we need to check, and everything is fine. So no need to do any change here. No need to do any configuration. Just come back and then search USA. Also we are going to deal. Dilip company is going to consultant will see the USA is there or not, because one company code has to be opened in USA. So country US. So I will select this US. Click on this details button. See, every details is there. These details, this country will be defined by default only.
Okay.
Okay. This country will be defined, will be given from SAP side by default only. No need to do anything. Okay. So first we have completed our country. Next, we will go to this region. Region
Yes,
means
sir.
simply I will say this is state. Okay, like for Dilip's business, he needs 4 regions, right? Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. In India 2 regions he needs. In Singapore 1 region, and in USA San Francisco another region. So 4 region he needs in 3 countries, correct?
Yes.
So here
So
only.
one,
Hmm,
sorry, sorry. Since tax condition for Singapore and US is
Hmm.
correct, we didn't create the TR request again, right?
Yes, yes. So means whenever you are creating, I did not get your answer. Can you question? Can you please ask again?
For India, what we have done, we have changed that tax in
Hmm.
and created transform request and save the
Transport.
data
Yes.
transport.
Ye-
Sorry. But for Singapore and the US, by default, correct tax procedure was maintained. So we didn't went till the transport request stage. I'm saying, right?
Correct. Yes, because no need, right? Already
Uh,
that configuration details are there from as a
yes.
standard recipe. Then no need to do anything. If it is
Okay,
missing, then we need to define and save. Correct.
right. Yeah.
Okay. So please give second heading insert reason and in bracket you can, for your understanding, you can write down in bracket. It is states. In SAP it is reason. Insert reason and write down same as above path. To come here, same path we need to follow as defined countries. Huh? Same path as above, and T code is OVK2. T code you can see from here also, OVK2. T code is OVK2. Now click on this button, this execute button, round button. Okay. So now which in India we are going to deal. In India we are going to deal in this Telangana T. Now, okay, India we have come. See whether it is region is defined with, see, IN. Andhra Pradesh is 01. Andhra Pradesh we have already. You can see
Telangana is not.
Telangana. Come down, come down, come down, come down.
Telangana not there.
Telangana not there. Okay, we need to define then. Telangana is there. See 36.
Yeah.
Up suppose Telangana is, suppose any state is not there. Okay, and it is already region is having 36. Suppose 36 this region is having, and we want to any region is missing. Suppose this new state has come into the picture. Any, so uh, all states I can see only. So suppose any state is missing, any region is missing, and you want to define a new state. So just simply we need to click on new entry. Okay. Suppose we want to define the Jharkhand. So click on new entry to define new state. Click on new entry. Give country IN. Okay. Give region. We can give this region with numeric, or we can give with the alphabeticals also. Okay. According to our convenience, we can give. Suppose I am giving this 38 and giving this Jharkhand JH. Complete name also I can give, or short name also I can give. Jharkhand. Okay. Hit enter and then save. It will ask again for the TR. See, every time we need to be sure we are saving in our TR only, because data will be stored. This all configuration data is going to that TR only. If we will save in another TR, see, if you want to check the list of the TRs, you need to click on own request. You can see beside this create request there is own requests. Okay, when you will click on own request, list of all the TRs which is available in the system development system will be opened. Okay, see there are how many TRs you can see. Dilip, this is ours TR. Gulshan T, this is another TR. FICO, this Dalmia, another TR. SR, Hindu Group, Sipla, Birla, These all are the TRs. We need to make sure we are selecting our own TR. So you select this TR, okay, by clicking on that, and then click continue below, choose this one. Then it has come delete group of companies. Earlier also it was there, but if it is not coming, every time you need to make sure by clicking on own request and select your own TR on transport request and continue. Okay, see, data was saved. Data is saved, correct? So like that, if any region is not there, you can follow this process and you can define your own region. Oh, this one is, my system is very slow.
In the same transport request only you saved, right? This country.
Yes, yes. Because we are FICO related. I have given this transport request FICO. So all FICO we will save in the same TR only. If we want to categorize like GLV, if you want to save in another transport, and if you want to save AP, accounts payable configuration, in another transport, so we can create another transport also. No, not an issue. Getting my point?
Okay.
As per
Yeah,
our
yeah.
consultants, as per their convenience, they can create multiple transports, or they can save in one FIC finance related transport they can create, and they can save in all in one only. So as per now, I have created FICO related, FICO related, and saving all in one transport only. Okay. So if region is not there, you guys can define your own region. If country is not there, SAP has by default given all these countries region. Not there, then you need to define their own. Okay. Now, second one is done. Now, please give third heading.
Currency.
Yes, define currency. Okay. Path, please write down path. SPRO, SPRO, SAP NetWeaver, SPRO, SAP NetWeaver, general settings, currencies. Hmm? Okay.
Yeah, currency.
We can also use direct T codes, no?
Yes, you can use T code, but right now, because you guys have started, right now, path, if you guys will follow, then it will be really, kind of practice will happen. So please try to see, T code is OY03. Directly, you can give OY03 and you can come. Let me show you this check currency codes OY03. Please write down this T code also beside that path. OY03 is a T code. Let me take you guys with this T code. Very slow, my SAP system. OY03. See, directly I have come to currency with path. Now, if I will go with T code. Now, if I will go with path, double click on this execute button. Now, see, I have come to this currency. Click on position button. As per Dilip's business, we need 3 currency. INR. See, INR is there. Then we need SGD. See, hello. So you can see my screen, right? Sudhir, Shravanti, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So see, we need to check now currency. So you guys have written the path, right, for the currency.
Yes, yes.
So INR we need to check, because we are Dilip, for Dilip group of country we are going to deal in we are going to use three currency. You can select the currency. You can click on the position button, select the currency INR, and come to the details. So this is as standard, as per the standard it is given. So no need to do anything. Just we are checking these currencies INR, SGD, and USD are available or not in SAP system. If suppose by chance it is not there, then this particular currency should be defined. But 99% these will be this currency, every currency will be given only just for the sake of confirmation. These all currency are there. Just we are confirming. Okay. So now
Okay.
Singapore dollar, click on position, give SGD, Singapore dollar, then select Singapore dollar and click on details button. So see, Singapore dollar, this currency is also available. Now next currency, USD.
Yes.
So we need to check this one. This should also be there. So see, USD is also there. Select this, click on details button. So USD is also there, right?
Correct.
So now all three currencies are there. And now next we will go to
Calendar.
calendar, yes. Now please give next heading, maintain calendar. Maintain calendar. And in bracket, you can see it is majorly, defined from HR side as SAP HCM side, human capital management. But we are just checking, because we are practicing. So basic, other details, some configuration from HR side is also required. One, two, no, not very much. So maintain calendar, and path is SPRO. Path is SPRO dash SPRO SAP NetWeaver general settings. SPRO SAP NetWeaver general settings, maintain calendar. You can see in the you can see on the screen also the path. SPRO SAP NetWeaver, and then maintain calendar. After that, click on execute. Click on this execute button. Okay.
Yeah.
Select this holiday calendar. See these round these options. These are called as radio buttons. These round circles. These are called as radio buttons. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to select this holiday calendar and click on change button. And this is display. If I will bring my cursor over here, this glass is this is a display option, and this pencil button or pen button is change button. So select our radio button, whichever we want. So suppose I have selected holiday calendar, and I'm clicking on change button. Okay. Select country India. Here see position option is not there. So we cannot, with the help of position, we can directly select, right? So we need to check one by one our Indian, you know,
Control F
calendar.
we can use.
I think position.
Position is not. Control F. Let me try. Yes, correct, correct. Now India, correct. So now we have got this Indian holiday calendar. Okay. So see, this calendar is maintained from 2010 to
2020.
2098. Yes, already valid. Correct. If not valid, we need to change. Okay, how what I did, I selected this, Control F, India. Okay, I will select this Indian holiday calendar, and I need to see here create of button is there, change button is there. Suppose if we want to our validity is completed. Suppose this is 2023, 2022 is 2024, but we want to extend our validity, so we can add it. You select this line item Indian holiday calendar, click on add change button, and you can update as per. If you want to put the validity from 2023, you can make this 2023 or 2022. Okay.
Okay.
This here also holiday Diwali. This one also I want 2023. Okay, enter and save it. What is it? Please enter a uh, validity area of factory calendar 2010 to 2016. I don't know. This is, see, this is from the HR side, SAP HR side. So we should not go much deep down to this. So I'm just keeping it to 2010 only. Okay.
So what is the
Now
purpose of this like calendar fiscal year? We understand. Why
uh,
do we create
calendar.
holiday calendar?
Yeah. So in from HCM side, HR side, like which all are the holiday in India. Okay, Independence Day. What all the Diwali? These all the these details should be there, right? So these detail in the calendar will be updated. Then only the holiday will be decided in the company, right? Correct. So now
Got
come back. Control F. This is from the HCM side, human capital management side, not HR side. But we need to give, in our configuration, so we need to do something, from HCM side also, some part from, and materials management side also. Okay. So now our fiscal year will be coming, right? 2023. So no need to do here anything. So our Indian calendar is there. Okay. So now next we will proceed to now our general setting is completed. You want to check the factory calendar, select the factory calendar radio button, click on change button. Okay. So now here same control F India. Okay. Select this one, click on change factory calendar. I'm checking, see, working, how many days are working in factory calendar? Monday to Friday. That was a holiday,
it.
a public holiday. This is factory calendar. Okay. And in
Okay.
yeah, holiday calendar, actually I did not show you guys this one. Diwali you wanted to see, right? Diwali and these Indian holidays, right? Let me show you those. What is this coming? See, this is the Independence Day. All our, you know, details will be there. Christmas. So for India, these are the list. You can see the holiday Diwali, Gandhi Jayanti, okay, Independence
Okay.
Day. So our Indian holiday, in it, our Indian holiday details will be there, but it will be taken care from HCM side, human capital HR, SAP HR side. So no need to, deep down into this. So now just for the, this calendar is available or not, that we were checking. So it is there. Now our general setting is completed. This general
Okay.
setting is completed. In under the general settings, we have completed these four. Okay. So whenever configuration is started, you guys should start with general settings, not from the enterprise structure directly. You need to start from the general setting. Means to have this, these all things. to have this organizational structure, we should have the country, in which country we are going to start. Like India country we should have in the system. We should have the region, we should have the currency, we should have the calendar. Okay, logical, right? So first,
Yeah.
general settings we need to have. After general settings, we will start doing this enterprise structure we are going to define now in the SAP system. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
company code, these all we are going to define. So now please give heading FI enterprise structure. FI enterprise structure. Below path, please write down FI enterprise structure. Below, please give subheading. Define FI enterprise structure. Below, define company. First one is company. Define company. Okay. Define company. Then path. Path SPRO.
Hmm.
Path SPRO. Then enterprise structure. Then definition. Then financial accounting. I have opened path in the screen also, you can see. Then financial accounting, then company. You can follow the screen path also. This is the first SPRO, display IMG SPRO screen. Then enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, and then define company. Okay. T code for company is OX15. You can see OX15. Last 4 digit OX15. Correct? Can I proceed?
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
click on this button, execute button. See, our Dilip company, now these details will not be there by default, right? See,
Yes.
country, currency will be there. SAP has given, but this is our this IT team has to configure in the system, has to implement in the system. Correct? This
Yes.
this business is not there in the system. This has to be done. So now that's what the IT team has started doing this. So now Dilip company has to be defined, right? As per this structure, if you will see my Excel, which I explained yesterday. See, what is the name of our company? Dilip Group of Company, correct?
Philip Group.
So this company we are going to define in the SAP system. Now, so click on new entry. You can click on position. You can search like Dilip country is there or not. It should not be there complete, but just for the we will check. D, enter. So with D we have only Dalmia Group Company, nothing else. See, we have Dalmia Group Company. So our Dilip company is not there, which is expected to, it will not be there. Click on new entry. Please write down, click on new entry.
Yeah.
Press new entry.
Yeah.
Then in company give Dilip. In company field. See, these all are the fields. You can see this box. This box in SAP we call field. So in company field, give Dilip. And in company name, give Dilip Group Company.
Mm.
Dilip Group Company. Okay. In company 2, you can give the same. Name of the company 2 also you can give the same. Okay. Now its address we need to give. Detailed information. Please write down also. We are going this company, we are going to start this company. This company we have based in, suppose in India we will give, no problem. in where in Hyderabad. Okay, let's say we are giving Hyderabad. Street, any street, main state or something I can type. Main street, PO box, anything I'm giving. Address actually I'm giving here. Five-digit PO box, city Hyderabad, country IN. Okay, language I will select EN, English. Language EN. You can do the F4. You can do the F4 and get the language from the list. This also you can do. Language key also you can take from the F4, EN, C English. Okay. My SAP is working very slow. So now let me close this one, go to this.
So you understand Telugu, bro?
No, little bit, not very much. But 10% I understand. So we need to select this language. Actually, I did not show my interest when I was there. That's why I did not show interest in Telugu language. But my friends told me, my friends, this Telugu friends will learn, but I did not show my interest. If I will not show, then I will not understand, right? But I like language like this, where so many words are similar to Sanskrit. I like, yes.
So basically, you
Huh? I'm from asking where I'm from, right?
yes, yes.
I'm from Jharkhand. Jharkhand is, situated in East India, beside Kolkata, West Bengal. Yeah. So, see, I am giving this company details, Hyderabad situated. Okay. Only I am
Mm.
keeping the currency USD. I'm keeping the currency USD. And now let me save
Why
this.
not INR?
Sorry, Sudhir, you're telling something?
But USD given, no INR not
Ah,
not given.
USD I given. I can give INR also. USD I given because we are, we are doing business internationally. So for the company,
Okay.
because company will be connected below company, company codes will come, right? So that's why
Yeah.
I am keeping this USD as a, we can say like that's why we can give INR also, no issue. You
Okay.
want INR or USD? You guys can tell me, no problem.
It's okay. USD.
USD will be fine because it is
Yeah.
strongest currency also, and we are dealing internationally also. That's why I give USD. But
Okay.
we can give INR also in real time, no problem. There will not be any issue. So see, again, when I am defining this company, again it is asking for TR. Again, you guys need to understand, please understand this is going to be saved in our TR only. Okay. If it is
Yeah.
showing, sometimes it shows another TR, another transport request from MM side, SD side, or whatever. So please click on own request, and get your, here you will see all the list of the TRs, your TR, other team members TR. So you need to make sure you are selecting your own TR. FICO, Dilip, a group of company TR, you select this one, okay, and save it. If you want to create new TR, you need to create here, create request, okay.
Okay.
If suppose sometime manager asks, you please save this configuration, manager asks to us, like, you please save these 4 or 5 configuration in a separate TR, then we will not save in our existing TR. We will do the configuration and create new TR and save those particular configuration in new TR and share with our manager or concerned person, like, we have created this configuration in a particular TR, and now this is the TR. You can please move it from the development to quality and then quality to production, like that.
Okay.
Now, first one is completed. Please give second heading. Define credit control area. You guys have written, right, country, this detail information,
Yeah. Street to your boxes.
currency, everything, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys need to do in the system now. You guys need to define this enterprise structure in the system same way. Okay.
Okay.
So now please give second heading. Define credit control area in the same path as above. Same path as above. And T code is OB45, last 4 digit. Define credit control area. T code is OB45, same path as above. Okay. After giving this, execute it. You can see, you guys, yesterday, how many credit control area I have defined. You can see credit control area for DI01 company code,
Four.
our Hyderabad company code, we have defined DIC1, correct?
Yeah.
And credit control area, I have explained you guys to set the credit limits for the customer. Okay, like depending upon their customers' buying behavior, credit limits are set. Okay, at a time of billing document, at a time of sales order creation, at a time of billing documentation generation, at a time of delivery posting, at a time of billing documentation. Okay, so this credit control area is defined as per the company code, not country wise, but according to the company code wise, this credit control area is defined. Means this our cement related company code will have different credit control area defined. Mumbai related company code, which is doing steel business, having separate credit control area. Okay, which I have explained you guys earlier. So now I'm going to define for DI01, DIC1 credit control area. See, DIC1 I am going to define. Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me define this DIC1. I'm giving you every logic and reason why this is happening. Okay, nothing means I'm explaining you guys like anything.
Yes. Yes.
But when I faced so much difficulties. That's why I'm trying to make it very easy.
So credit control area is nothing but the company code for
No,
which we
no,
are creating.
no, no. Please try to understand. See, company code. Okay, okay. See, company code. Let me do one thing. I should have first created company code. Sorry. No problem. I will create. See, company code, like the see Tata Motors. Let's give you example of this. Like I gave you example of Tata Motors, and this Tata Consultancy. Okay. So now Tata Motors will have their, their own credit control area because their customer is different. Okay. So for their customer, different credit limits should be defined. So credit control area is, credit limits that should be defined. So that will be done with the help of credit control area, not with the company code. This
Okay.
credit control area will define credit limits for the customer, and this credit control area we need to link with the company code. Like this credit control area is will I will we need to assign to the company code. We will link to the company code. Okay, so company code wise, company code is separate thing. Company code is the independent company, right? There we maintain the books of accountings and data we maintain, correct? And credit control area is only specifically for the credit limits maintenance, only for the credit limits. And then after defining these both the things, we will connect both the things each other, so that this credit control area can be used for this company code. Credit control area 2, you can see DIC2. This we will assign to the company code, Mumbai company code. Singapore also we will create a separate credit control area, and for US also we'll create a separate credit control. But sorry, I should have created first company code. So let me do that. Sorry. So now, Shravanti, clear? You understood company code and
Yeah.
credit control area?
Yes.
Okay. So now please let me create. I have created company. Now let me create company code first. Then I will, after that I will create credit control area. Okay. Now you can keep the space for for how much? For one page you can keep the space. No need to cut. No need to cut that. And after giving the space, now please give third heading. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy. You can see over the screen. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. T code is OX02. Same path. Same path we need to follow as above. And edit, copy, delete, check company code. Give heading. Third heading. OX02. In this, we will define company code. Okay.
Yeah.
Now click on execute button. Okay. Click on execute button. After that, double click on the, please write down. Double click, you can give down arrow 2 times. Double click on the edit copy data. Double click on the down arrow, please write down. Double click on the edit copy data. Okay. Now here, see our Dilip company code, which we defined yesterday, with the this naming convention DI01, correct, for Hyderabad. For Mumbai, DI02. For see, for company code, this structure we already in the documentation we have defined. DS01 for Singapore, and for USA DU01, correct. So now I'm going to define the same naming convention, DI01 for Hyderabad. Okay. So DI01 will not be there standard, we need to define. See, it is not there. So to define this, see, DI01 they have created for Dalmia. See, already it is
Yeah.
existing. So they have created for Dalmia. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this one, and I will create for my company. Company code is assigned to controlling area. Deletion not possible. Okay. So deletion is actually not possible. So I will do one thing.
So once created, it will not be
Huh?
deleted.
No, it can be deleted, but since you see it is assigned to controlling area, that is why it is not allowing. So you can see the message. Company code is assigned to controlling area, deletion. That's why deletion is not possible. If it is not assigned to controlling area, then deletion can be done. If suppose I will define one company code and I want to delete, it can be done. Let me
Okay.
show you. No problem. Let me show you. But since it is assigned to company controlling area, these all company codes are assigned to controlling area. That is why it is not allowing to be deleted. Actually, my sessions are getting close. This one Zoom's meeting. I will try to get some. I will try to buy a license. Because every 30 minutes it is getting disconnected. So it is wasting our 10 minutes, right? Every time. So I will try to get the, so that, our time will not be, you know. So see, let me create one dummy and show you guys if, deletion is allowed or not. No problem. This dummy I have given.
Company code will only 4 letters, no? 4 characters.
Yeah, correct. Now, DUMMY. Just a minute.
Yeah.
हेलो मम्मा, क्लास में बाद में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके, सॉरी. सो नाउ this one, let me save this company code. These all the details also we need to give. Okay, let me save it. Only I have given mandatory details. This is for dummy, just for checking, like deletion I am showing. So now you can see it is asking for TR. Let's say I'm saving in this on TR. I will delete from this TR only. No problem. See, data was saved. It is created. DUMM. Come back. See, DUMM is created, correct? Now let me
Yeah.
delete it. I will select this, and here deletion option is there. You can see. Click on delete. Yellow message is ignorable. You can hit enter. Number of entries deleted 1. See, number of
Yeah.
entries deleted 1. Now, after deleting, make sure to save it. If it is not saved at TR level, then it will not be, that will not be effective. So we need to be sure we are saving in the TR. See, now I have saved.
What is Watsup?
So it is saved. See, data already saved. Now if I will give DUMM I had created, so it will not come. DUMM I will give, it will not come. See,
Yeah.
nothing is there. It is deleted. Okay. See, DUMM is not there. So now let me create our company code. What I will do, let me change this structure. And since this is already existing DI01, with L, Dilip, I can use L also, because L is not there. Nowhere L is there. So let me change this one. LI01, LI02, LI0, LS01, LU04. Okay. And same everywhere I need to change my credit control area also. LIC1, financial management area. LIFA, LIC2, controlling area. LCOA, LU01, LSC1, LSFA, LCOA, LUC1, okay, here also LCOA, LC, LC. Okay, I changed the every details. Segment also L cement, L steel. But see, if the in the real time, if you will imagine, if new license is purchased, so with D there will not be any company code. But it is our practice system, IDS client. So that is why it is somebody has created with their own company code. So that is why I'm changing the convention, naming convention. So now let's create with LI01. Okay, please write down company code, press new entry, then LI01, LI01, and in below you can give description. Dilip Cements Private Limited. Dilip, please write down this also. Please, Cements Private Limited. City HYD Hyderabad. Country IN. Currency INR. Currency INR. Okay. Language we will give same. Okay. After giving these details, after putting all these details, see, uh, a currency which is being defined at company code level, this is called as company code currency. Okay, because it is defined at company code level, that is why it is called as company code currency. And at company code currency, which currency we have defined? INR. Okay, and at the company level, the currency which we have defined, that will be called as global currency. That's why I have taken that USD, because Dilip business will be, internationally he is doing business in Singapore and US also. So company level, the currency we had defined USD, and at company code level, we are defining this company code currency as INR for Indian, for this Hyderabad company code. Okay. So now after giving these details, enter. Again enter. Now click on save. Once you will click on save, you will get this new pop-up window. Here we need to put the address details. Okay. So here you can give the address. Okay. Yeah. Company. In title, you give company. Okay. Here you can give the same Dilip Cements Private Limited. Here you can give the short term DC